Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this royalty crown on Dress Room Press. So we're just going to go to the crown section and we're just going to add this one. I'm just going to color that maybe like a gold or like this like beige color. You can color it whatever color you want. Trying to find the like gold sparkly pattern. There we go, and we're also going to add the crown from the code to the second toggle as well. Let me just turn off the name so you guys can see. Then we need this one. Select the third toggle and select the white color or the red color like that. Looks like a royal crown. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.